of actual value of the function of the providing the value of natural value. What is meant by natural value? The natural value means you can add this value and this value print by output. This is the actual value. For example, you can the value of the element is 5, 10, 15, 20. The comparable can does not change the original value. They print the original value of the program. In comparable, you can use this operator. You can use the comparable is this reference. The comparable is the use the initializing the our code at the positioning, and they print the using this and super keyword in comparable. In comparable is the method of the comparable is compare to. The compare to method is provide the comparable is the function of comparable. The comparable is providing comparable. The comparable method is used for the comparable original value, and call the original value and does not affecting and print the original value. The second one is comparator. The comparator change the original value and sort the value and printing the different output of the program. The compare it is mean by different value. The different value means you can create and initializing the values from 5 to 15. The comparator can sort the program and change the affected value and sorting the value and print the output. In the comparator, you can provide the different method as compared to comparable. But the comparator can add the two or method. This is compare to and compare to method. In comparator, you can use the different methods. The comparator is different than comparable because you can provide the different type of value. The comparable can provide the original value, but the comparator can sort the element and provide the different value. Provide the different value. In comparator, provide the compare to method. So difference between the comparator is the comparator use the Java util dot lang as a comparable, and the comparator can be used for the Java dot import Java dot util dot package. Is the difference between the comparable and the comparator. So our today's topic is comparable and comparator is important, and our today's video topic is end. So I will meet on next video. Thank you so much.